Bullish EOS cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $4.03 and $8.78 by 2030. Market experts accept EOS could reach $4.03 by 2025. Bearish EOS market cost expectation for 2022 is 71 cents. EOS presentation. The local coin of EOS.io, an open-source blockchain stage that empowers the formation of decentralized applications or dApps. It is a huge entertainer in the cryptosphere. EOS's essential adversary is believed to be Ethereum. In spite of the amount more famous Ethereum is, specialists know not to confuse prominence with greatness. Specialists view EOS as enjoying a benefit due to its accentuation on speed, versatility, and adaptability. Moreover, EOS means to resolve issues with scant organization assets, false exchanges, comparable solicitations, spamming applications, and different issues. The thing that's coming down the road for the individuals who are confident that the cost of EOS will rise. Get familiar with EOS and digital currency exchanging now. What is EOS crypto? One of the most well-known cryptographic money projects right currently is EOS, which was made to resolve the issues that actually exist with Bitcoin and Ethereum regarding adaptability, speed, versatility, and low expenses. EOS runs all-alone blockchain convention called EOS.io, which was made explicitly to beat ordinary handling and equipment stockpiling, among other cool things, for its own shrewd agreement stage for decentralized applications. The main EOS beginning coin offering began in June of that very year after makers Brendan Bloomer and Dan Larimer made their white paper accessible to the general population back in 2017. It raised a dumbfounding $4.1 billion throughout an entire year, breaking all past ICO records. EOS is a questionable digital money when contrasted with different coins, it ought to be noted. In any case, on account of its weighty innovation, it additionally offers the best long-haul development potential. If the EOS blockchain convention figures out how to work on the inside methodology in various organizations, as guaranteed by the tasks modelers, it could fundamentally modify the eventual fate of all dApps and PC assets. Assuming this is the case, the coin's cost will increment fundamentally over the long run. EOS Crypto Central Examination. There are 1,029,909 local EOS coins in the entire stockpile of EOS. As indicated by market capitalization, EOS is currently among the top digital forms of money with the most encouraging long-haul prospects and anticipated development. EOS expects to accomplish 100,000 exchanges each second, contrasted with Ethereum's ongoing 15 minutes 30 TPS, procuring it the moniker Ethereum Executioner. EOS started as an ERC20 token in light of Ethereum regardless of being an Ethereum execution. Yet it ultimately presented its own mainnet. The way that Block is the EOS digital money token's primary designer is one key angle that is regularly ignored. CTO Dan Larimer is one model. Evidence of stake and decentralized independent associations, or DAOs, were both made by Larimer, who has been named the Bill Doors of the blockchain business. He likewise assumed a pivotal part in the foundation of the digital money organizations BitShares, Steemit, and Graphene. As per Larimer's contribution and backing, EOS has long-haul market potential, which will significantly affect long-haul EOS cost gauges. EOS crypto current cost. EOS is as of now worth 89 cents USD. EOS has moved 0.96% as of now with an exchanging volume of $148,478,506. EOS is as of now positioned 44 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $902,450,109 USD. The exchanging pairings EOS, USD and EOS, BTC are utilized on all digital currency trades to exchange EOS. Every one of these exchanging pairings is manageable to specialized investigation, which yields particular results. Bitcoin and other digital currency resources, similar to EOS, oftentimes move pair, yet they can likewise separate and move contrary to each other. Subsequently, experts currently approach a large number of devices for making cost projections, distinguishing value objectives, and the sky is the limit from there. EOS Value Forecast 2022. EOS, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The EOS cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $1.34. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.25 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. EOS is supposed to have a base worth of $1.08. EOS Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, EOS cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of EOS will before long outperform $2.24. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the EOS's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, EOS will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.79 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.97. EOS Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.14 and EOS might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. EOS is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.87 and a low of $2.69 in 2024. EOS Value Expectation 2025. Assuming EOS effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the EOS coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, EOS will be green in 2025. The EOS is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $4.03, with a base cost of $3.58 and a typical cost of $3.76. EOS Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the EOS cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.66 by 2026, with a base cost of $4.48 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, EOS has a greatest value worth of $4.93. EOS Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.56. On the off chance that EOS figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $5.82. Neglecting to assemble the help EOS needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $5.38. EOS Value Expectation 2028. While EOS is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $6.27 and a yearly cost close above $6.72 in 2028. EOS Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, EOS will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $7.17 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $7.62, averaging out at $7.35. EOS Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest EOS cost in 2030 is projected to be $8.78 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $8.42. And EOS is an illustration of a crisp, creating blockchain in a